Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. In this video, we're unveiling a high-accuracy smart money concept strategy that blends institutional precision with powerful confirmation tools. If you've been searching for a sniper entry method with a 90% success rate, this is the one. Let's break down how it works. This strategy revolves around smart money concepts, focusing on order blocks and points of interest, refined by powerful Fibonacci retracement levels, 0.786 and 0.886. These deep pullback zones are where institutions typically execute entries, making this setup highly reliable when combined correctly. Here's how to configure your chart. Apply your Fibonacci tool from the most recent swing low to swing high, or vice versa in a downtrend. Wait for price to return to your OB or POI that overlaps with the golden 0.786 or 0.86 zone. Make sure you're trading within a clear structure, bullish or bearish, confirmed by a break of structure or change of character. Now for the entry setup. For buy entries, wait for price to tap into your demand order block within the Fib zone. Look for bullish confirmation like rejection wicks, bullish engulfing patterns, or an internal break of structure. For sell entries, wait for price to enter a supply OB at 0.786.86 and show bearish confirmation like strong rejections or BOS to the downside. Risk management is key. Place your stop loss just beyond the OB. Your take profit should aim for a minimum 1-2 to 1-4 or, depending on structure targets, liquidity levels, or major zones. Confirm your trades. Use confluences like imbalance fill, volume spikes, or additional candle patterns to strengthen your entry decision. You can also check higher timeframe OBs or POIs to add confidence. Timeframes to use. This strategy works best on 1H and 4H charts for structure and OB identification, while 15mm or 5M can be used for precise sniper entry. Final thoughts. This SMC strategy works because it aligns with institutional footprints, order blocks, while filtering noise using deep Fibonacci zones and solid confirmations. It's all about patience, precision, and clean setups. If you found this strategy valuable, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Mukhlis Trading Academy, and turn on the bell icon for more high-accuracy trading content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, trade smart and stay consistent.